This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the quiet, largely residential Buena Park neighborhood, just west of Lincoln Park, for a walk through one of the redesigned vintage apartments at Reside at 849. I've just stepped into Unit 855E2, a studio that looks out into the treetops. There's oak hardwood flooring throughout the unit. Heading toward the bath. You have a freshly updated bath with attractive finishes. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Opposite the bath, you have a nice-sized walk-in closet with multiple levels of hanging and shelving. And then you walk into the kitchen. There's espresso-stained cabinetry. There's a pantry cabinet. 4-burner gas range, stainless steel refrigerator, there's a built-in microwave, and a door leading out to a small back porch. Great view looking out into the treetops here from a nice-sized dining area. It's a decent-sized studio, terrific location. Short walk from public transit, the 18-mile lakefront trail. And as a bonus, you have all the perks that come from living with Reside Living. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.